And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna go from this to this in Photoshop. Now it's basic color editing. If you're too lazy to open up Lightroom or Camera Raw or whichever software you use to color edit your images, you can just use this quick trick in Photoshop directly to play around and mess around with the colors of your image. Now, as you can see, this is got a kind of like blue brownish tone, and I don't really want that, so let's just click on the adjustments panel and add a gradient map. Now we're going to change the blending mode for now to multiply and lower the opacity to something like 50%. We're then going to click on this slider, and this is going to work like split toning. So you're going to have your shadows on this side and your highlights on this side. You can add as many points as you want, and these will be your midtones. So let's say I want some sort of like sunset look. I'll go with some blues for my shadows, red for my midtones. Maybe let's add an orange over here, and white for the highlights. You can play around with the positioning of your colors, and you can get some cool effects like this. Now you can try and change different blend modes as well, like this lighten works kind of well, and make sure you can also lower the opacity if you want the effect to be more subtle. But that's the basic thing on how it works. It's really easy, and you can get minimal like color fixes in here instead of bringing everything into another software. That's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope it was clear. Please comment if you have a suggestion for any tutorials you'd like to see. Subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram. I post daily on there as well. I post really short tutorials and some cool graphic design stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.